This tutorial is if you are already on Canva Pro. It is not to purchase individual audio tracks. With your design project open, click on your choice of audio. Optional. You may click the play and pause button to stop the audio track while you are working in the design. Click the All Publish Options button, which says, Share. Scroll down and click Download. Click Connect More Accounts if you have already used this feature and want to choose a different social account to connect. Otherwise, if you've never used this feature, the same link will say, Connect Social Accounts, so click on that link instead. Available social media platforms will be shown. Click on the social media platform you want to use. Click the account where you want to use this design and audio. Optional. If you have more than one profile in that account, you will have to click on the profile you want to use. Scroll down, and click Allow. Canva will reopen. Click Download. Following these steps tells the social media platform where you want to post that you have the license to use the premium audio track. You can now use that downloaded design and audio in the approved social media platform. That's it. You're done.